Dear students, good morning, welcome to history class. In last 2-3 session, we have discussed about the early man or evolution of man, evolution of earth, evolution of life. Today, we are discussing about important factors of human evolution. We are discussing important factors of human evolution. When we say important factors, in that so many points are there. The first one and important factor in human evolution is climate change. It is climate change. ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಯುಗುಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ the changing cycles of climate and weather, the changing cycles of climate and weather have affected human evolution to a very large extent. It was affected human evolution to a very large extent. Last 6 to 8 million years, last 6 to 8 million years, 6 to 8 million years has generally seen cooling trends. We have faced generally cooling trends marked by recurring ice ages. Marked by recurring ice ages. Sheeta Yuga. Ice age means Sheeta Yuga, recurring ice ages. The onset of ice age around 2.5 million years ago, 2.5 million years ago, covered most of the part of earth with snow. It has covered most of the part of the earth with snow, and there were major changes happened in climate and vegetation. In climate and vegetation, because of ice age, the climate, vatavarana, vegetation, sasyavarga, there were major changes in climate and vegetation. The cooling and drying conditions, this cooling and drying conditions led to contraction of forests. See, they led to contraction of forests, which expanded the plains, grasslands and deserts. Expanded the plains, grasslands and deserts. It has expanded the plains, grasslands and desert. This increased the competition among plants and animals, for food. It increased the competition between plants and animals for food. The species which could better adopt the climate and procure food survived, and the others became extinct. ಈ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಸ್ಪೇಷೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಅವು ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡವು, ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅಳಿದು ಹೋದವು. This climate change has affected so many species, and the ice age or glacial age, induced the early humans to wear animal skin to protect their body, to feel comfort and keep themselves warm, to feel comfort and feel themselves, keep themselves warm. Many times, many times new species originated from them which adapted the climate, this changing climate better than the earlier species. ಇದರ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಹೊಸ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳ ಉಗಮ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಹೊಸ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ದ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಲೋಪಿಥೆಕಸ್ has faced gradual extinction, and genus Homo, which is called as early man. Homo means early man. The existence of early man Homo survived here, and the Australopithecus became extinct because of climate change. The last ice age witnessed by Earth is before 20,000 years ago. It has happened 20,000 years ago. The last ice age happened 20,000 years ago. Hence, it was the Earth's climate triggered a number of changes in various species for survival. ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅನೇಕ ಶೀತ ಯುಗಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಕಂಡಿತು. ಕೊನೆಯ ಶೀತ ಯುಗ ಅನ್ನೋದು 20,000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಶೀತಯುಗ 20,000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೊನೆಯ ಶೀತಯುಗ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಶೀತಯುಗಗಳ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡವು, ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅಳಿದು ಹೋದವು. ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಅಳಿವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡವು, ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅಳಿದು ಹೋದವು. ಹೀಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಹೊಸ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾರದಂತಹ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅನೇಕ ಹೊಸ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡವು. ಟುಡೇ we are living in a time that is relatively warm compared to that climate. The weather and the climate of the earth has played an important role in the origin and evolution and the existence and extinction of various species. ಅನೇಕ ಜಾತಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳ ಉಳಿವಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ವಾಯುಗುಣ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ, ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಯುಗುಣದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ಬೀರ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೈಜ್. Growth in brain size. See, when we say brain size, the size of the brain today's human, that is Homo sapien, we the people called as Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens has the brain size of 1400 cc. Homo sapien, early man or wise man, have the brain size of 1400 cc, who is a Homo sapien. Homo sapiens have the brain size of 1400 cc cubic centimeters. It is smaller than the brain size of Neanderthal man. It is the smaller brain size as we compared to Neanderthal man. This was again the evolution of the man brain. The human species evolved larger and complex brains due to the environmental challenges they faced. Environmental challenges they faced, because of that they have the larger and complex brains. They had to survive against physically powerful animals. They have to face physically powerful animals. Because of that they have larger and complex brains. The size of the brain in the Homo habilis, see, when we say Homo habilis, the brain size was 600 cc, 600 cubic centimeters. It was slightly larger than chimpanzees. It is slightly larger than chimpanzees, where the Homo erectus species had the brain size of 800 to 1100 cc. 800 to 1100 cc. Homo erectus. Homo erectus has the brain size of 800 to 700 cc, where the Homo habilis has the brain size of 600 cc. See the growth size of brain regarding our historians. Homo habilis have 600 cc of brain. Homo erectus has 800 to 1100 cc, where comparing to Homo sapiens have the 1400 cc, 1400 cubic centimeters of brain they have. It is more than twice the size of brains as compared to chimpanzees and gorillas. The growth in the brain size, see the change, the growth in the brain size induced many activities like improve in vision, upright posture, and also tool making, use of fire, planned and skilled hunting, storing food, language. These activities helped in the development of the brain. When the brain size developed, the activities of human also changed regarding their brain size. It resulted in tool making, use of fire, use of language, planned and skilled hunting. So many things are there. So these two factors, first one is climate change, and second one is growth in brain size. It has gradually affected the human evolution. In next session we will discuss the food and shelter and also tool making regarding important factors of human evolution. So I will finish this topic here. Thank you one and all.